4,000 engineers, 20% stock jump, $9 billion in new orders. Cisco fired the people building its old business, and the market voted yes. The obvious story is Cisco cut jobs to save money. The hidden story is far more strategic. What Cisco actually did, almost nobody is covering. Watch this to find out what replaced 4,000 engineers. It runs every AI query you send. On May 14th, Cisco announced cuts to roughly 5% of its global workforce. The same day, they posted record quarterly revenue of $15.8 billion. Net income up 35%. Earnings per share up 37%. Stock up 20% in after-hours trading. Those are not the numbers of a company in trouble. Those are the numbers of a company that just got investor permission to gut its old business and rebuild around AI infrastructure. The 4,000 cuts were not random. They came out of legacy switching, legacy routing, and the older parts of the Talos and Splunk security divisions. What got hired instead is the entire point of the story. Cisco has thousands of open roles concentrated in 5 areas: AI networking, silicon design, cloud security, data center solutions architecture, and customer experience engineering for hyperscale accounts. Hyperscale accounts means Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Google, the companies building the actual physical data centers that train every model you have ever used. Cisco is positioning to be the picks and shovels supplier of the AI gold rush, and the product they are selling has a name. It is called Silicon One G300. The Silicon One G300 is a custom switching chip designed specifically for AI clusters. It moves data inside a data center at 102.4 terabits per second, roughly 100,000 times faster than your home internet. Every time an AI model trains, chips constantly pass data back and forth. Whichever chips connect them faster wins. If you are watching AI as an investor, the G300 is one of the strongest signals Cisco has given the market in 15 years. 100% liquid cooled. Combined with new optics, energy efficiency improves by nearly 70%. Then there is Acacia optics. Cisco posted over $1 billion in Acacia orders in a single quarter, 200% year-over-year growth. Optics is the optical fiber and connectors that link the AI silicon together at the speed of light. Add it up. Silicon plus optics plus switching equals the physical nervous system of every AI data center being built in 2026. Cisco is not the company being replaced by AI. Cisco is the company AI cannot exist without. The new Cisco is being built right now. 3 quarters ago, Cisco projected $5 billion in AI hyperscaler orders for fiscal 2026. They just revised the projection to $9 billion. That is why the stock went up 20% the day they cut 4,000 jobs. The market is not voting on the layoffs. The market is voting on the bet. 86,000 employees. Cisco kept 82,000 and changed what they all do. That is the actual restructuring. The displaced 4,000 get 1 year of free Cisco U courses and certifications. Cisco is quite literally telling them to come back as AI native engineers if they can move fast enough. You can see where this is going if you are honest with yourself. The picks and shovels pattern is the actionable pattern. Every gold rush has one. Most people miss it because they are watching the gold. There are several publicly traded companies positioned exactly the same way Cisco is: silicon, optics, cooling, power, networking. None of them are model labs. The model labs get the headlines. The picks and shovels companies get the orders. Cisco just told you with 20% stock movement what the institutional investors actually believe about where the AI money is flowing. The hyperscalers reposition their stack. Here is where you reposition yours.